Welcome to Digitex Guider. Today, we're diving deep into Canva AI, the ultimate tool for creators, marketers, and anyone looking to produce stunning digital products effortlessly. Whether it's videos, images, or social media designs, Canva AI has got you covered. Think of Canva AI as your personal design chatbot, similar to ChatGPT but focused entirely on creativity. From generating visuals to designing marketing content, it's transforming how we create digital projects. Canva AI Video Generator. First up, the Canva AI Video Generator. Want stunning videos in minutes? This tool lets you create professional quality videos, complete with animations, transitions, and AI-generated visuals. No design experience required. Canva Code. Next is Canva Code. It's perfect for creators who want to integrate simple coding into their projects. Canva AI makes coding easy, so your projects come to life faster than ever. Canva AI Image Generator. Canva AI's image generator produces captivating visuals instantly. Whether you need images for social media, blogs, or digital products, Canva's AI can generate them in seconds. Social media and AMP, marketing design, and don't forget social media and marketing design. Canva AI helps you create attention-grabbing posts, banners, and ads that engage your audience effortlessly. Want to take your Canva skills to the next level? Check out our free digital products Masterclass in the description below. Don't forget to claim your free Canva Pro trial and access our free resources, including 100+ digital product ideas and a digital product starter guide. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a creative tip. Let's elevate your creativity with Canva AI together.